Welcome to Hippie Fest, making the scene, as the hippies would say, in Tipton, Indiana, where you can feel free to get your groove on, dive headfirst into tie-dyed most anything wearable, check out the locals really getting into the moment.
She's flexible on stilts.
Do some shopping.
You got a flower, and it's a spade at the end, so we can really dig it.
Check out some of the entertainment. And of course, check out some of the classic hippie rides. The hippie generation didn't last that long. It peaked in 1966 and barely made it into the 70s and had a very dark side, but also had a very fun side.
Okay, this is getting into the groove of it right here. I don't think it's a Westphalia, but it's definitely got the eyes for the road. Thanks. Hey, look, hon. Hey, look at this. Come here. Step behind that. Yeah, look at this. Gonna be driving a hippie bus, man. Hell no. Cruising the beach.
You guys are dry?
To where it's groovy, man. If you like 1960s memorabilia, this is the place to be. Seriously, everything. You got mod colors. You got your peace signs. Really cool calligraphy. Sea of tie-dye everywhere. Of course, it's supposed to be like the 60s, so that's what happened back then. I love it. We're gonna be tie-dyeing today. Hang on. Yeah, I'm seeing it, I'm thinking it. Looking mod, looking hip, looking marvelous. Okay, we've come to the understanding you need a t-shirt because that's a little warm. Yeah, September, but it's like 90 today. Not that that's a bad thing when you consider we're gonna be tie-dyeing a shirt today. Vanessa's gonna get a Hippie Fest t-shirt, and it says, if you buy the Hippie Fest t-shirt, you can tie-dye it for free. Now look at that, beautiful black and white. Look, black and white, hon, you can do a tie-dye. That would be so awesome. 20 bucks, not bad. Free to tie-dye. How better?
Better.
We're into hippie now.
That's right.
That's why we're here, right there. This is a 92 Westphalia. Hi, Emily. She's the owner of the Westphalia. She's going to give us a quick tour.
Yes, for sure. Come this way. Start with the back.
Okay.
So this makes out to a bed here, but for now we have a little couch back here. My daughter likes to read back here when we go camping or take a break. Take a look at the pictures up there in the corner. And so you have the Van Gogh down by the river up there. Chris Farley.
You gotta have the van by the river. Down by the river.
Yeah. But we don't usually use the stove a lot, but there's a stove and a sink. We usually use the facilities at the campground, but I got a new top on it. So the top that was in here before was, like 45 years old. I was driving down one road one day and saw the van for sale, and I took the wrong way home from work. I just happened to go by there.
Oh, I don't think it was the wrong way. I think it was destiny.
It was meant to be, yeah, because I want to take my kids camping, and this was a perfect thing.
This looks good. Love the old classic style. We were thinking this is all we need. Get on the road, something like this. Like the lady was saying earlier, a few $1,000. Get one by the side of the road. Whatever we got, that would be helpful.
I got that thing at the bargain bins there in Anderson for $1, that mount.
Really?
It goes on a car, but I put it on there and
This guy's got it made on how to do any kind of panning. I never thought we'd find a groovy Nash Metropolitan, but I think we just found it. It's tiny and cool. We got Brett with the Bugmobile.
We talked so much about it, so I'm just gonna let him share with you.
So this Beetle is a 68 Volkswagen Beetle with a 1776cc Volkswagen motor built by a company out in California. We call this our little hot rod. It's a little fun little go-kart pretty much on steroids. It's quick.
Wow, it's clean. I haven't seen a Volkswagen engine looking that clean.
And it's very loud.
Oh,
It
wow.
sounds like a Harley.
So you've got the pipe or no pipe?
So it runs from the head straight to a single collector, and it just comes out in one. Still air-cooled.
Yeah, it's amazing how they did that. Oh no, it's the thing. No, that's not the one they made the movie of. It's this thing. It's not a car. It's a thing. There you go, geriatric gypsy.
Did you see who was in the front seat driving?
No. Oh, it's the Golden Girls. This is a cool van. I like this. You gotta love creativity. Golden. You talk about your OG hippie. I gotta admit, I'm surprised everybody's really getting in the mood of this thing.
Oh no,
Hippie
it's
Fest
incredible.
2025?
Yeah.
Man. I think I gotta go home with this one. These normies.
That's too cool.
Seriously, I'm gonna take it. Might have to get a rear-view hanger. And this is perusing them. They're only, what, $5? We can actually afford that. Those of you who are just viewing in, we could use a lot more views. Thank you. Maybe some subscribers to help us fund these trips. We'd really appreciate it. Oh, there you
A little
go.
water thing. Thank you.
Is that a Stanley?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, quick history. Name something big that happened in the 60s.
Oh my gosh, when the Beatles came to the United States for the first time.
Oh, yeah, you got it. That's what I was thinking about.
Just think about it. There was 3,000 people. Now that's back in February of '64.
And all those media.
Yeah, over 200 media in the crowd taking pictures of the Beatles coming off of the plane and stepping down on U.S. soil. That was huge.
Probably a pretty groovy time.
Okay, what was your favorite toy during the hippie generation?
I got to be G.I. Joe. What was yours?
Oh, mine was Barbie.
Oh, of course it was.
She had a convertible and she had her own RV.
She had everything, and she had Ken too.
Well, I tried to get her in with G.I. Joe, but you know, G.I. Joe just wasn't around.
Okay, I've heard of getting high, but come on.
Yeah.
Look at this. And she's flexible on stilts. Definitely getting into the vibe. Okay, we were told about this guy. We had to check him out. There it is. It's a great way to start.
Almost showtime. Good to see you guys. It's too hot today. We're gonna make it hotter. You can see there's no real fancy way to do this. You just put something on there. The only thing you really need to pay close attention to is that you don't get any of this stuff on the pavement. That's kind of important, but other than that, safety first. It's kind of a cheap chainsaw, so it can sometimes take a few tries to get started. In other words, just you wait and see how awkward this can get. You ready? Here we go. Hey, not too bad. That's better than usual. And now we play a little game which I like to call Don't Catch the Wrong End. Here we go.
Couple of screws loose, maybe?
Hopefully not in that chainsaw.
Who does that? Terry, like your rig, man. Look at this. He's actually got. Does the burner work? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can actually cook dinner. The Westphalia, it actually has a working stove. See your battery. Oh, this is nice.
Fridge works.
Did you have to do a lot of renovation on this?
Quite a bit on the interior.
Yeah. But man, it's paid off. Oh, and you got the plaid. You don't see the plaid anymore. Most people replace it. When we left for Indiana, we
Do you have any idea what you're going to be doing?
Well, tie-dye the shirt. That's all I know.
Okay.
And
That perfectly good shirt, you're going to tie-dye.
yeah, just bought it. $20. I hope it fits. Looks like it will.
Oh, it will. It will.
And it's gonna look a lot different. You gotta do the rubber band thing first.
Yes.
I'm gonna do something really funky. It's not on the list. This is the whole thing. I did this back when I was 14.
Yeah, he's creating his own pattern.
Yeah, and it came out really bad the last time I did it. So I think I'm doing this all wrong.
Do you have your creation?
For those of you who tie-dye, you see this? That's a mess.
You're good.
And now it's dirty.
Okay. You got both hands covered?
Well, I have to have one hand free of that way.
No, you want one on both. It will stay on your hands for a very long time.
Cup, you can pour.
Right.
So I'm gonna
Okay,
try
let's
this.
go. There you go.
There it is, my creation. Really anxious to see how this is going to turn out when it's dry. First impressions of your first Hippie Fest.
It really was cool. It was different. I've never seen so many hippie outfits in my life to buy, people wearing them. So yeah, I'm so glad we came.
So would you say it was a groovy trip, man?
Oh, most definitely.
To dig with the things on, you know.
Oh,
That is so neat.
But hey, you put a regular shovel in the ground, wind will loosen it up.
Exactly. I love
But with
that.
these, we were in 45, 50 mile an hour winds. Tents were flying everywhere, and my flowers were just, you know. But I couldn't get them in the ground. I had to put them in the hay bale so they don't look as. But you get them in the ground.
That's a great idea. Wait a minute.
Great idea.
Really? You got a flower. So it's flower power, and it's a spade at the end. So
You know,
we can really dig it. Love this. You got the Hippie Fest in a vintage trailer. This is the way to travel. They got dolly stuff too. Hippie gnomes, man. Oh, if we only had a Harley.
What were you doing during the moon landing in 1969?
probably chasing boys.
I was in 5th grade.
As you can tell, there's a little bit of age difference between me and
Little
Jim.
Oh, but it was fun back then, wasn't it? Watching the moon landing, Neil Armstrong going, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
I was chasing boys.
Yeah, she was chasing boys.
Thinking maybe I need a skull cap. Literally a skull cap.
Okay, you've heard from us, but what was something fun that you remember about the 60s if you lived through it?
Or if you didn't live in the 60s, what is the one thing that you would have liked to have done during that time?
Yeah, give us a shout down in the comments. And on that last one, let's keep it PG, okay?
That is groovy, man.
Did you make,
Oh, it is.
you
Especially
make
with a $100 bill.
did you make them?
What's that?
Did you make these?
She did.
She did. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, she made all these. These are
Aw.
Portland cement, spray painted, and then these all glow in the dark. And these are repurposed ceramic tiles from our kitchen.
So, peace, dream catchers. Worst things have happened. Got to step into the 70s, a little macrame. Thank you very much. There you go, long and stringy. You can't get any more authentic than this. Look at this. The bed, got the very cool rug sitting out, the mushroom stools. Speaking of mushrooms, no, not those kind. Those kind.
I think it's over. Oh no.
You walking back.
Rainbow. I'm a bit tired. Something tells me I'm making too many knots.